Imagine spending hours collecting data, only to find your software can't handle it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the top mistakes researchers make when choosing software. First up, overlooking scalability. Many researchers underestimate the growth of their datasets. Choose software that grows with you, preventing data bottlenecks. Next, ignoring integration capabilities. Ensure your software can seamlessly work with your existing systems. Integration issues can lead to a tangled web of data chaos. Third, failing to prioritize user support. A responsive support team can be your lifeline when challenges arise. Don't settle for software that leaves you stranded. Another common blunder is underestimating training needs. Even the best software requires getting to know its quirks. Opt for solutions offering comprehensive training resources. Lastly, overemphasizing flashy features. Bells and whistles are enticing, but functionality rules the day. Focus on software that meets your core research needs. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll find software that's not just a tool, but a partner in your research journey. Whether you're a seasoned breeder or new researcher, remember, the right software choice can transform your research outcomes.